If you got wisdom, better start listening to this rap about the nervous system. There are two subdivisions, the central and peripheral. Without either of them, you'd be a vegetable. So if you want to think, or eat, or drink, you need something to keep your body in sync. The nervous system is what it's all about, cause I don't know about you, but I hate Brussels sprouts.
The central nervous system, or CNS, allows all your bodily system to coalesce. It contains the brain and hordes the spinal cord. It receives sensory info and initiates motor control. The peripheral nervous system, or PNS, conducts electrical signals when you feel stress. The voluntary branch is called the somatic. The involuntary branch is called the autonomic.
The nervous system connects head to toe, sending stimuli throughout it like ebb and flow. Show some love, without it you'd be dead, you know. So listen up now, cause I said let's go. If your knowledge of bio is foggy and blind, let Sep and JP unite your body and mind. We'll give you a hand when you haven't a clue, cause we're the 21 out of 20 crew. Don't be a moron, know your neuron. I'm here to talk about it. My name is Kian. Neurons have three parts that I will recite: the axon, the cell body, and dendrite. Dendrites collect signals, axons send them away. Cell bodies make sure that everything is okay. Together Schwann cells make the myelin sheath. We call it white matter, like the white in my teeth. It's essential to have good credentials. Be sure to understand your action potentials, like how impulse jumps between positions. We call that saltatory impulse transmission. During resting potential, the interior is negative. Depolarization makes it relatively positive. Repolarization resets the axon. The impulse moonwalks away like Michael Jackson. The nervous system connects head to toe, sending stimuli throughout it like ebb and flow. Show some love, without it you'd be dead, you know. So listen up now, cause I said let's go. If your knowledge of bio is foggy and blind, let Sep and JP unite your body and mind. We'll give you a hand when you haven't a clue, cause we're the 21 out of 20 crew.
And it's Nate Doc's turn. It's time to learn about synapse transmission, your main concern. The Doc's in the house and he'll explain in depth how the impulse jumps across the synaptic cleft when the action potentially comes down the axon. Its presence triggers a metaphorical klaxon. Ion channels open and in comes Ca, causing synaptic vesicles to be brought to the membrane. These vesicles excitose neurotransmitters, and since I know you're all wondering, here's my Twitter. The inhibitory one is called acetylcholine. The excitatory one is called norepinephrine. They attach to receptor sites on the other side. Channels open wide and in glides the sodium tide. The impulse isn't stuck thanks to the Na influx. Oop, appointment over, schmuck, $200, pay up.
The nervous system connects head to toe, sending stimuli throughout it like ebb and flow. Show some love, without it you'd be dead, you know. So listen up now, cause I said let's go. If your knowledge of bio is foggy and blind, let Sep and JP unite your body and mind. We'll give you a hand when you haven't a clue, cause we're the 21 out of 20 crew. On to the brain, you won't feel pain. This is the easiest section if you know what I'm saying. Cerebral senses makes thoughts, memories, feelings of love. When asked what it does, it's probably all of the above. Which part of the brain maintains balance and motor skills? Well, that would be the coordination center or cerebellum. Last but not least, it ain't for nada. Your medulla oblongata will make you smarter. Medulla oblongata, the best part of the brain. Medulla oblongata, far the most fun to say. It controls reflexes to prevent your decay. Regulates your heartbeat, helps you breathe and sneeze. Medulla oblongata.
Hold your horses, we've got lots to discuss, like the integrating center or hypothalamus. It uses negative feedback to maintain homeostasis, creating an oasis on a regular basis. The pituitary gland, ain't it grand? It understands the hypothalamus's command. It produces and releases various hormones. Hope this helps, cause after this you're on your own.
The nervous system connects head to toe, sending stimuli throughout it like ebb and flow. Show some love, without it you'd be dead, you know. So listen up now, cause I said let's go. If your knowledge of bio is foggy and blind, let Sep and JP unite your body and mind. We'll give you a hand when you haven't a clue, cause we're the 21 out of 20 crew.